That nigga crazy as hell.
There's this game they play in Las Vegas, sometimes New York, sometimes LA. They'll have a cardboard box, mix the cards around on a table.
Right.
You have to try to guess which card's which. It's just a scam. You familiar with the game? Well, they'll put a ball under a cup, and they'll mix 3 cups around. Where's the ball? Don't ever play that game, okay? This is a version of that game, but it uses 2 cards in your hand instead of 3 cards on a table. Seems easier because it's 50-50 odds, but it's a little tougher because I use 2 similar looking cards.
Okay.
This is gonna be a heart. Forget the ace, just heart. Cool? Mirror what I'm doing, perfect. If that's heart, what's this?
Diamond.
I'm gonna switch the cards so fast that you won't even see it, okay? So hold on to it just like that. Diamonds, here's the switch. I'm going to go like this and steal it, but it's gonna be a stab, it's gonna be a bang. So hold on to it a little tighter, not so it's impossible, just challenging, perfect. Here's the real switch, Mike. The same switch, but in real speed, right? There, now without looking, F5, this is the part where we would bet. What card would you bet is on top?
The diamond.
So you do think I switched it?
Yeah, I think so.
I could have made up the whole story though, like those con artists and lied about it.
It's true.
But you'd say I'm an honest man and that the cards are switched, diamonds on top.
You're right, diamonds on top. That's nice.
Flip your hand over.
How the hell? חלי, את חייבת לבוא לראות את זה. חלי.
Wait, what?
Wait, what is this?
Wait. Hey, where did this come from?
What? Oh,
I thought it was hearts and diamonds.
what? Is that card on the top? Wait. What is, wait. Oh.
Oh my God.
What is that? No.
I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
How did you do that?
Thank you guys. Much love.
What's your YouTube channel, man?
It's called Disturb Reality.
Disturb Reality?
Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs, best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.